Yesterday we looked at linear regressions to find straight lines that fit our data. But a straight line may not always be the best fit. Today we're going to look at those other choices. First, I want you to recall that y equals x squared is a parabola. It's called a quadratic. And it will have the shape of either this or this, a parabola. Also, if we had y equals x cubed, that is called a cubic, and its shape will look something like this or like this. All of these will have those lines. All right. We're going to start today on page 414, and we're going to look at example 2. We're going to use that data and find our regression lines. Okay, so I have my graphing calculator again. If you note, the example has quite a lot of data points, so I've already inputted them. Stat, edit, there's all my data points from list 1, list 2, and there's quite a few here. Okay, so I've already entered all those data points in. I'm now going to go to stat plot, and we're going to turn this on. Notice that we've turned it on. We're going to do a scatter plot with list 1 and list 2, and we're going to make it the little circles like we did last time. To get all that data in the screen, we're going to go zoom and scroll down to number 9, zoom stat. This will zoom in on all our statistics. And there's all our data. Now what I want you to note here is a straight line may not fit all our data. We do kind of see a curve going up through the middle here. So rather than a linear regression this time, we're going to look for a quadratic regression. It is found in the same spot. Stat. We're going to scroll over to calculate. Okay, we're up at calculate. And if you look down here, there's quadratic regression. So let's go down to number 5. Hit enter. We're going to run a quadratic regression. So if I hit enter one more time, you can see it doing all the work thinking, doing all the calculations to give us the best curved line now that will fit our data. It gives us a quadratic equation, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And then it tells us what a, b, and c will be. Now again, a lot of information here to punch in manually to y equals. So I'm going to go through y equals. Let the calculator do this. Let's get rid of that one from yesterday. We're going to go to variables, vars. We're going to go down here to statistics. So we're going to get it from the statistics. Hit enter. We are making an equation. So I'm scrolling over to equation, and we want a regression equation. Just like yesterday. Hit enter. Now it's taken all that data from the screen before and put it in here. We got the x squared, we got the b with the x, and c. Hit graph, and it will draw in that curved line. Not much of a curve here, but we can see a curve.